Hey guys, Wade here with Kriete Truck Centers and Racine, 262-340-2282. Today, I've got for you this 2022 VOLVO 860 with 350 in the miles. It's got the D13 engine with 455 horse, I-shift transmission. You can see it's got new virgin rubber, bunk heater. It's got the workstation inside. This truck has been serviced, DOT'd, and ready to go. If you like what you see, come see me at Kriete Truck Centers and Racine. Again, my number is 262-340-2282. We have financing options available, or check us out on KrieteTruckCenters.com. Thanks, guys.